Conflict resolution is an essential skill in both personal and professional settings. Successfully resolving conflicts can lead to better relationships, increased productivity, and improved morale. Below, we explore various winning techniques for resolving conflicts effectively. 1. Active listening. A. Focused attention. Engage fully. Give your full attention to the speaker, avoiding distractions and interruptions. Show understanding. Use nonverbal cues like nodding and maintaining eye contact to show you are engaged. B. Reflecting and paraphrasing. Reflect content. Repeat back what you've heard to confirm understanding. Paraphrase. Meaning. Summarize the speaker's message in your own words to ensure clarity. C. Empathy. Understand emotions. Acknowledge and validate the emotions of the other party. Express empathy. Show that you understand their feelings and perspective. 2. Open communication. Say. Clear and concise messaging. Be direct. Clearly articulate your thoughts and concerns without ambiguity. Stick to facts. Focus on factual information rather than assumptions or interpretations. B. Use I statements. Own your feelings. Use I statements to express your feelings and perspectives without blaming the other party. Example: I feel frustrated when meetings start late because it affects my schedule. C. Avoiding assumptions. Clarify intentions. Seek clarification if you are unsure about the other party's intentions. Ask questions. Ask open-ended questions to gather more information and avoid misunderstandings. 3. Finding common ground. Identify shared goals. Common interests. Focus on interests that both parties share, rather than positions or demands. Collaborative goals. Work together to identify goals that are mutually beneficial. B. Explore options together. Brainstorm solutions. Collaboratively brainstorm possible solutions without judgment. Evaluate options. Assess the feasibility and acceptability of each option together. 4. Problem-solving approach. Define the problem. Specific definition. Clearly define the problem in specific terms. Agree on definition. Ensure both parties agree on the definition of the problem. B. Generate solutions. Multiple solutions. Encourage brainstorming of multiple solutions. Creativity. Be open to creative and unconventional solutions. C. Evaluate and choose criteria-based evaluation. Evaluate each solution based on agreed-upon criteria. Choose best option. Select the solution that best meets the needs and interests of both parties. 5. Maintain a positive attitude. A. Stay calm and composed. Manage emotions. Keep your emotions in check and remain calm and composed. Positive tone. Use a respectful and positive tone throughout the discussion. B. Be respectful. Mutual respect. Show respect for the other party's viewpoints and feelings. Polite language. Use polite and courteous language, even if you disagree.